Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Close CRM call logs after sync interruptions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Close CRM call logs after sync interruptions, begin by opening your Close CRM account. Navigate to the call logs section in the dashboard. Check for any recent sync notifications that might indicate issues. If you see an interruption alert, take note of it. Next, go to the settings menu in the lower left corner. Select integrations from the settings options. Locate the integration related to your phone system or calling application. Disable the integration temporarily to reset the connection. After a few moments, re-enable the integration. Once it's reconnected, go back to the call logs section. Refresh the page to allow the system to pull in new data. Wait for the system to sync your call logs. If the logs still do not appear, check the sync history for any error messages. Review the details of any errors listed. If necessary, make corrections to your calling application settings. Retry the sync process again. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Close CRM support. Provide them with details of your issue, including any error messages. Once support addresses the problem, return to your call logs. Your logs should now be restored and up to date. Be sure to regularly monitor your sync status to avoid future interruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.